Hello student, I am teaching class 1 Maths chapter 8 numbers from 21 to 50। अब हम पढ़ने वाले हैं numbers 21 to 50। First they are fill in the blanks। In this picture there are few matchsticks। यहाँ पे कुछ matchstick बताई गई है। There is a bundle, it means 1/10। There is a bundle, it means 1/10। And these are loose mastic. These are loose mastics, so let's us counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। So how many loose mastics? 8 means ones. It means 1/10 and 8 ones means 18. Next, bundle of 10, so 1/10. The loose mastics ones, let us counting 1 2 3 4 5. Loose mastic is 5. 1/10 and 5 ones is equal to 15. Next day, bundle of 10, so 1/10 and loose mastics ones. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1/10 and 6 ones is equal to 16. Write the numbers. In this we have to write in bundles 10 in ones. How many loose mastics? तो loose mastics is so 1/10 and 10 में हम one write the ones and loose mastic is 4, तो write the ones is 4 is equal to 1/10 and 4 is equal to 14. Next thing, this we have to write in bundle 10 in ones, 10 in 1/10 and how many loose mastic? How many loose mastic? Let's count 1 2 and 2 ones. Write the 2 ones. 10 1 tens write in 1 and ones write in 2. One tens and 2 ones is equal to 12. Write in bundle 10 in ones, 10 write in 1 and ones. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Loose mastic is 9, to write ones 9 and 19. 1/10 and 9 ones is equal to 19. Draw the bundles and ones. यहाँ पे हमें bundles and ones draw करना है. There we have to draw. There are 1 means a bundle and 5 means 5 loose mastic. So we have draw. First 1 bundles. Draw the 1 bundles. And draw the ones. 5 loose mastics. 1 5. we have drawn. There are we have two bundles and one is 0. 2 tens means 20. A bundle. We have two bundles and two ones lots mastics. So draw the two tens, two bundles. Two tens and two ones is equal to 22. So there is a two bundles means write the numbers. यहाँ पे हमें numbers लिखने हैं. So there is two bundles means 2 and 5 loaves. Let's counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loaves mastics. So 2 tens and 5 ones is equal to 25. There is two bundles means 2 tens and ones. Let's counting ones. 1, 2, 3. So counting ones is 3. 2 tens and 1, 3 ones is equal to 23. 2 ones, 2 tens. Next day. So there is 3 bundles means 3 tens and loose mastics. How much? Let's count 1, 2, 3. 3 loose mastics. So 3 tens, 1, 3 is equal to 33. So there is a 4 bundle means 4 tens. And loose mastic is counting 1, 2 and 1 is 2. 4 tens and 2 ones is equal to 42. Numbers from 21 to 40. यहाँ पे हम 21 to 40 तक रीड करें. So there are 2 bundles and loose mastics ones. So add right 22 tens plus 1 is equal to 21. Two tens and 2 ones is equal to 22. 2 tens, 3 ones is equal to 23. But draw the 3 loose mastic. 1, 2, 3. Next 2 tens and 4 ones is equal to 24. 2 tens and 5 ones is equal to 25. Two tens and 6 ones. So draw the 6 mastic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 tens and 6 ones is equal to 26. 2 tens and 7 ones. So draw the 7 mastics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 2 tens and 7 ones is equal to 27. 2 tens and 8 ones, and draw the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 tens and 8 ones is equal to 28. 2 tens and 9 ones is equal to 29. 2 tens and 1 ten is equal to 30. 3 tens and ones is equal to 31. So there are bundles 3 tens and 1 ones is equal to 30 ones. 3 tens, draw the 3 tens. यहाँ पे हमें 3 बंडल्स ड्रॉ करने हैं. 2 ones, 3 tens and 2 ones is equal to 32. 3 tens and 3 ones. Draw the 3 tens and 3 ones. Draw the 3 matched. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens is equal 3 tens and 3 ones is equal to 33. 3 tens and 1 ten is equal to 40. नेक्स्ट है नंबर्स फ्रॉम 41 to 50. अभी यहाँ पे हमें पढ़ना है 41 to 50. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. सो देर आर 4 बंडल्स एंड 4 tens and 1 ones. 4 tens and 1 ones is equal to 41. 4 tens and 2 ones. Draw the 2 matchstick. 1, 2. 4 tens and 2 ones is equal to 42. 4 tens and 3 ones is equal to 43. 4 tens and 1 tens is equal to 50. 4 tens and 1 tens is equal to 50. So complete the lessons. Number from 21 to 50. Thank you.